Craig Emerson, Workforce Development Coordinator at New Hampshire Auto Dealers Association. I attended a high school automotive program at Huot Career and Technical Center in Laconia. Took automotive for 2 years when I was 17, so I started working in service when I was still in high school. After that, attended Lakes Region Community College, the GM ASEP program. In 2014, I started teaching in the evenings at the Lakes Region Community College in the General Automotive program. That's where I became passionate about teaching. In 2014, I started teaching at Concord Regional Technical Center in their high school automotive program, where I continued to work with them until 2025. What I'm most excited about in this role is I've always worked closely with the people in this position at New Hampshire Auto Dealers Association. Always had a lot of respect for what they've done for our industry here in the state and how they support all of the high school programs. I'm really excited to continue working with high school students. In this position, I'll be able to connect with and help more students than I would have been able to confine to one classroom. The car business, it has been really good to me. I enjoy it, and I think that young people, that there are great opportunities in this industry for a lot of people.